Hi, my name is Bruce. Today we're making Hawaiian little sliders. Water pan. The party size pack. One. This is cut them in half. The mom already did it for me. The bottom is the casserole. Then the mustard together. Put it on the bread. Now I'm going to add turkey slices. Next, we're going to put cheese like this. The bread tops. Let's put gold on top. Let's put bagel seasoning on it. Bake it in 350 degrees for 20 minutes or so toasty. Ask a parent for help. Now we're done. Now we try it. It's just like Kitty Cats.
You gotta think of something else, Bruce. You gotta think of something else. What else?
It doesn't taste like kitty cats.
What else does it taste like?
It also tastes like lemonade. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button.
Say bye.
Bye.